The body of Siti Nur Iesmawida Ismail, the Malaysian who died during an earthquake in Lombok, Indonesia, arrived safely on home soil. Her remains was accompanied by her husband, Muhammad Hafiz Muhammad Kasim, a relative, as well as representatives from the Indonesian government, landed at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport at 5 p.m. Relatives greeted Muhammad as he exited from the arrival hall and left immediately without speaking to the media. Siti's remains were sent to the Al-Rahimah Mosque in Kampung Pandan for prayers. Many family, relatives and friends were at the mosque to pay their last respects. Siti's father recalled the day he found out of her passing. Ismail Abdul Rafar and his wife Mazihah Mahmud were on their way to their eldest daughter's house in Seri Kembangan to drop off food for a get-together with their relatives from Singapore.
Apabila dalam perjalanan, anak saya nombor 3 menghubungi saya. Dia kata, ayah bila sampai ke rumah kakak, ayah kena tunggu adik sampai. Saya pun tanya kenapa? Ayah tunggu je, perkara penting. Bila dia sampai, dia dan anak nombor 1 panggil masuk dalam bilik. Dia kata, ayah dengan mak, sabar ya. Mak saya suspend betul. Sabar, ini berita menyedihkan. Dia kata, Angah dah tak ada. Dia kata, Angah dah tak ada. Apalagi hormat terus pensan. Itu majlis tu bertukar menjadi majlis ahli arwah. Satu majlis yang orang kata yang tak terduga oleh saya. Saya sangat tak terduga, tapi kesedihan saya, anak saya pergi dulu.
Siti's younger sister, Siti Nur Iesmawida, was the first person to learn of her sister's death after a representative from Lombok contacted her sister's office mate, who then relayed the message to her.
Dia waktu dia nak pergi tu, saya sempat hantar dia sampai dekat kereta yang kawan dia nak hantar. Saya tak ada apa-apa pesanan waktu tu. Tapi bila dah sampai sana, saya ada cakap dekat grup family. Saya cakap, saya tak sabar nak tunggu dia balik. Walaupun dia baru je sampai sana, saya tak sabar nak tunggu dia balik sebab saya dengan dia selalu buat aktiviti sama-sama. Jadinya saya berharap macam, saya rasa kesunyian lah untuk seminggu dia begitu. So saya harap sangat untuk dia balik awal. Dan dia cakap, jangan risau, Angah akan balik sana. Tunggu Angah balik. Dia macam itu je. Lepas tengok jenazah ni, sebenarnya kami dah redha dah dengan pemikiran dia. Mak dengan ayah pun dah redha dah dia pergi. So insyaAllah harap-harap lepas ni family kami akan okey balik seperti biasa.
Siti was buried at Batu Muda Muslim Cemetery, Kuala Lumpur. The 30-year-old mountain climber was killed when the walls of a building collapsed on her after a powerful 6.4 magnitude earthquake hit West Nusa Tenggara and Lombok on Sunday. So far, 14 people have died in the earthquake, while hundreds were reported injured and also more than 1,000 houses and buildings were destroyed.